Greetings to all our viewers. Welcome back to the Wiseberg channel. Today's topic is a must-know for all: 7 things you shouldn't do in an automatic transmission car. These tips are crucial for maintaining a smooth drive. Stay tuned as we dive into the first point that every automatic transmission car owner should be aware of. Firstly, avoid resting your hand on the gear selector. It might seem like a harmless habit, but it can lead to problems down the road. Here's why. The unnecessary pressure you're putting on the gear selector can cause premature wear on the transmission components. It's subtle, but over time this extra strain can add up, potentially leading to a costly repair bill. So next time you're cruising down the highway, remember, the gear selector isn't a handrest. Secondly, never shift from drive to reverse or vice versa while moving. This seemingly harmless act can put a lot of stress on the transmission, leading to potential damage over time. Much like a sprinter needs a moment's pause before changing direction, your car's transmission too requires a complete stop before shifting gears. This small yet crucial step can save your vehicle from unnecessary wear and tear, thereby prolonging its life. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to handling your car. Always ensure a complete halt before shifting between these gears. Thirdly, the transmission isn't solely for slowing down. It's easy to fall into the habit of using the transmission to decelerate, but this can put a strain on your vehicle. Over-reliance on the transmission instead of the brakes can lead to excessive wear on the transmission bands and clutches. Remember, your car's braking system is designed to handle the bulk of deceleration. So let's keep our vehicles in tip-top shape, shall we? Use your brakes more and your transmission less when slowing down. Fourthly, never ignore transmission fluid maintenance. It's like the lifeblood of your car's transmission system. Keeping an eye on the fluid's level and condition and changing it regularly is essential for smooth operation. Neglecting this simple task can lead to overheating and premature wear of transmission components. Imagine costly repairs and mid-road breakdowns. A nightmare, isn't it? So take a moment to check that fluid, or have a professional do it. Make transmission fluid maintenance a part of your regular vehicle upkeep. Fifthly, beware of towing beyond the recommended capacity. You see, when you exceed what the manufacturer has outlined as the safe towing limit, you're essentially playing with fire. This can strain your car's transmission tremendously, resulting in overheating and potentially causing significant damage. It's like trying to lift a weight that's too heavy for you. You might pull it off once or twice, but eventually something's gotta give. So, to avoid costly repairs and maintain a smooth ride, stick to the manufacturer's recommended towing capacity. Sixthly, avoid revving the engine while in neutral or park. It might be tempting to hear your car roar while stationary, but this is a habit that can have costly consequences. By revving in neutral or park, you're increasing wear on both the transmission and other engine components without actually moving anywhere. It's like running on a treadmill. A lot of energy expended, but no progress made. So save the revving for when it's necessary. It'll help extend the life of your car's engine and transmission. Finally, never drive with a malfunctioning transmission. It's more than just a nuisance, it's a red flag, signaling that your vehicle needs immediate attention. Ignoring unusual noises, slipping gears, or delays in shifting isn't just risky, it could lead to serious damage. These are telltale signs that your transmission requires a checkup. Don't wait until your car gives up on you in the middle of nowhere. Be proactive. Address transmission issues promptly for a smooth and worry-free driving experience. And that wraps up our list of things you shouldn't do in an automatic transmission car. From resting your hand on the gear selector to ignoring fluid maintenance, these tips can prolong your vehicle's life. We hope you find these tips useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for the latest updates from Wiseberg. Do share your thoughts in the comments section below. Drive safe.